आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we are given that consider a triangle with vertices A 1, 2, B 3, 1, C minus 3, 0, and we have to find the equation of the altitude through vertex A. So first let us draw the triangle ABC. So this is my triangle ABC and AD is the altitude through vertex A. Now we have to find the equation of this AD. So what we will do, first we will find the slope of line BC, right? Why so? Because we know that altitude is perpendicular to the line BC, and we know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the slope of their product of their slope is -1. So that by that we can find the slope of AD. So first let us find the slope of BC. Slope M1 of BC is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now y2 here x1 and y1 are the points of B and x2 y2 are the points of C. So y2 minus y1 will be 0 minus 1 and x2 minus x1 will be -3 minus 3. So this is my -1 upon -6 which is equals to 1 by 6. Now let slope of AD is M2. M2 is my slope of AD. Then AD is perpendicular to BC because AD is an altitude. So product of M1 and M2 will be -1 and my M1 is 1 by 6. So this will be M2 will be 1 upon here this is -1. So M2 will be -1 upon 1 by 6. So from here we have got that M2 is -6. Now we are given point A which is 1, 2. Now we have the slope of the line and 1 point of the line. So by this information we can find the equation. The equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to M2 which is the slope of that line into x minus x1. Here my y1 is 2, M2 is -6 and x1 is 1. So this will be y2 y minus 2 minus 6x plus 6. If I take these terms on the left hand side, then my equation will be 6x plus y minus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. So the required equation is 6x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0, which is the required answer for this question, and hence we are done. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।